So can you get all the hardware and software from a single vendor?
Well, you can. I think. I mean, you can definitely get the hardware devices from a variety of vendors. So there's lots of vendors for entangled photon sources. Some are startups, some have been around for decades. You can get single photon detectors and other things that you need. Some of the companies, particularly the more startup ones, also will promote their software stack above it. But the software stack, as I think I've shown here, is quite complicated, especially to implement a full solution like symmetric key generation. So look very carefully, go beyond the PowerPoint and really test the software out to make sure you're getting everything you need, with all the principles that I talked about in this presentation.
Excellent. So you did just mention as a follow-up that some of these hardware vendors will have software. What is that software and why wouldn't I just use that?
Well, if you're a hardware company and you build a device, the first thing you have to do is put some sort of API on it, or it's not useful at all. That would be some of the hardware that sits, that sits here. Sorry, some of the API would sit right here. But as we saw, there's lots of functions that have to go on to create a solution, a key generating solution in this case. So again, you have to ask your vendor, what do you have? Do you have a key buffer? Do you have, privacy amplification? There's a list of 20 different software modules that you need, and you should ask your hardware laser vendor or whatever if they have all those modules.